Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our series of tutorials on mercantile law. Well, we've been discussing industrial relations, and to comprehend well industrial relations, we need to understand few business terms. I would like to define them, I would like to exemplify them, I would like to explain them, I would like to conceptualize them, and then go ahead with my discussion on industrial relations. Let's talk about some of the terms. Arbitrator. Arbitrator is a person appointed as an arbitrator under the Act and who considers a case and makes a decision, facilitates the two parties or more than two parties. Award. Award means the determination by commission or arbitrator of any industrial dispute or any matter relating thereto and includes an interim award. Collective bargaining unit. Those workers or class of workers of an employer in one or more establishment falling within the same class of industry whose terms and conditions on employment are or could appropriately be subject of collecting bargaining together. Conciliation proceedings. Conciliation proceedings mean any proceeding before the conciliator. Employer. Employer in relation to an establishment means any person or body of persons, whether incorporated or not incorporated, or which employs workmen in an establishment under a contract of employment and includes, and here, successor or assign as the case may be of such person or body as aforesaid. Any person responsible for the management and control of the establishment. In relation to an establishment run by or under authority of a department or under authority of any department of federal government, the authority appointed in this behalf or where no authority is so appointed, the head of the department. In relation to an establishment run by or on behalf of a local authority, the officer appointed in this behalf or where no officer is appointed, the chief executive officer of that authority. In relation to their establishment, the proprietor of such establishment and every director, manager, secretary, agent, or officer or person concerned with the management of the affairs thereof. All this is what we have made all the explanation of the employer. We have in fact discussed the different forms of an employer, different status of an employer. And now we move on to establishment. Establishment means an office, firm, factory, society, undertaking, company, shop, enterprise which employs workmen directly or through a contractor for the purpose of carrying on any business or industry and includes all its departments and branches in Federal Capital Islamabad territory or falling in more than one provinces whether situated in the same place or in different place and includes a collective bargaining unit if any constituted by any establishment or group of establishments. Executive. Executive means a body by whatever the name called to, which the management of the affairs of a trade union is entrusted by its constitution. Industrial dispute. Industrial dispute means any dispute or difference between the employers and the employees, or between the employers and the employers, or between the employers and the workmen, or between the workmen and workmen, and which is connected with the employment or non-employment of the terms of employment or to the conditions of work of any person.